Alright, hydraulic clutch system, cold air intake, brand new battery, exhaust header, coil wires, so many new things. This thing runs great. Haven't had any issues really, so. Brand new tabs, all that jazz. Wheels, 19-inch Falcon wheels, turbo wing. Like I said, the paint, it's fading pretty much everywhere. Regular door hinges, aftermarket speakers. My brother put them in personally, so like I said, the roof is pretty sweet. It's carbon fiber. Racing seats, both sides. They're actually pretty comfortable, so 73,934 miles. Great gas mileage. LED lighting, it's pretty cool. Everything's pretty much painted, so only thing I'd probably remove is this stuff. They glued it on. It's not really in the greatest location either. Gauges work. You got your water, air, fuel, volts. Water is wrong. It is not 250 degrees. This engine would be gone. The one down there works. Other than that, yeah.